Holy crap. Yes. Yes. No, what's he doing? Please tell me. Oh shoot, now I'm stuck. Are you kidding me? No. Is this just that big of a fish? Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Is it fight? Oh my god. No, it's a northern and it's stuck in the weeds. Oh. Shoot.
I'm scared to come over.
No, don't be scared. Oh my god, I need my net. It's legit a northern stuck. Hold on. Okay, and this is big. Okay. Wow. Got him. Hold on. He's not even a big one, but it's fun. Hold on, look at him. What? Northern have big teeth. Hold on.
That, but
oh my gosh. Oh my god. I was like, I know that's a fish. Dude, that was awesome.
oh.
Okay.
Don't aim it at me.
No, I'm not gonna aim it at you. I'm gonna put him on the. Gosh, I'm just trying to show everybody how big he is. It's not that big, but it's a little northern.
Oh, cute.
Isn't he? Look at his teeth.
Oh no.
Oh
no.
Oh,
Wait,
that was so
and
much
that's
fun.
what like flopped around in your.
Yeah, but it was way bigger. Okay. There you go, pile. That was so much fun. Yay! Did you see this weed pile he was stuck in?
Yeah.
This is why I didn't know if it was weeds or a fish. Look at that. Holy crap. All right.